Hello, welcome to week 3 of SOC 105, Marriage and Family. This week we will be talking about gender, social construction of gender, and gender inequality and gender in the workplace. I want to begin by just talking about some class business. First of all, I wanted to say that you guys did a great job on the week 2 assignments. This class is doing a really good job in the class overall, and I've really enjoyed reading your assignments. We have fewer assignments this week due to the July 4th holiday. So all we have this week is a response journal and a lecture and a lecture quiz. And then we have the midterm exam. So there's no discussion board this week. And that's because of the July 4th holiday and because you have a midterm exam this week. So the midterm exam opens on Friday, July 5th, so the day after the 4th of July at 12 noon, and it closes on Sunday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. You will have 60 minutes to take the exam, so you may begin anytime you like within the given time period, but once you begin, you will only have 60 minutes to complete the exam, and it must be completed all in one sitting. There's no pausing, there's no shutting down the browser, none of that. You just must sit there and take the exam right then and there. To make studying for the exam easier, there is a study guide. It has been available since the first day of class. It is under modules, and if you use it to guide your reading, it will help you to do better on the exam. There will be nothing on the exam that is not on the study guide. One thing that is in the study guide that I haven't talked about in the lectures is family and history and the family-based economy. So you will be responsible for doing the reading, especially for those. And what I wanted to mention is that there are questions on the exam that are not in the lecture, and there are questions on the exam that are not in the readings. So you must do both. You must do the readings and listen to the lectures to do the very best that you can on the exam. Lastly, the exam is 100% multiple choice and true-false questions. There are no short answer questions or essay questions or anything like that. Okay, let me see. So this week I just had a couple of brief announcements to make about the lecture quiz and the lecture videos. So the lecture quiz for this week begins on the second slide, so not on this one. So we will begin, on the next slide. And also I wanted to mention that slides 2 and 3 mention some assignments. Just please disregard these assignments. We don't do those assignments in SOC 105. And lastly, there are 4 videos this week. You will want to listen to all 4, because they will be covered on your exam. Oh, and I wanted to mention that the exam will cover the material from the first 3 weeks of class. Okay, so that's it for now. And you can go on to the next video. I would grab my lecture quizzes before you go on. Okay, thanks.